Dude, it's in defrost again. I heard it from out here. I literally heard it from out here. Two defrost cycles in one day. Yeah, it's set to auto defrost right now. I'm amazed the line settings under this unit froze up that quickly when set to 6 to 8 degrees. Man, this thing actually... I don't know if it's just me or this thing got louder. But I got here in just in time. Carrier AQS heat pump system and defrost again. This one is from... I'm not sure what the date is, but... I do know it's probably like the 2020 series. This thing does not sound happy. Let's listen to this. ...2020 Carrier AQS series heat pump. Defrosting. Again. And this one is a 4 nominal ton. 14,000 BTUs. Are you kidding me? Just shut off. Alright, I'll be back until this unit comes back on. It came back on. Gosh. This thing's not sound good. This one might be even bigger. Yeah, now it's set to auto defrost. It only needs defrost when it needs to. Yeah, this might be even bigger. I don't see any steam yet, but yeah, this thing is, it was frozen up, except it's not like frozen up on the coils. Because if it been frozen up on the coils, it would be like even more steamy coming out of it. It's just like the line sets, it's inside the unit, so that's what's frozen up, the line sets. But it might be all defrosted now. Holy cow. I hope my camera's picking up the steam, but that's better than the first one. That is better than the first one. There goes the reading. I'm gonna put this camera right here. There we go. If it'll stay. Alright, that's how good it's gonna get. Let me shut this. Hang on a minute. There we go. Oh, there it goes. Alright, there you go. Nice. Very nice. This is the Carrier AQS 4 nominal ton series heat pump system. Yep, the air is finally cold again. The line's getting warm, and I just moved the line set. That's not good. Also, the ring fired up. Like I probably told you that before. I wish the Bryant was running. It probably would sound really nice. I just want you to listen to this. compressor has a really nice sound to it. Like, it has a really nice sound to it. I don't think I've never heard a scroll compressor sound this good before. It's also very loud. When it comes to winter, the scroll compressor gets real loud. I'm not even kidding. I mean, listen to this compared to the Ream. The Ream is much quieter. I just want to say this is currently literally the best unit. I mean, the Dakin sounded nice though. This one also sounds really nice. I'm gonna go check the other room real quick. It's actually nice and warm in here. This is Benny's room. It's nice and warm in here. You can hear that unit. Okay, so Benny's room is nice and warm. So the Carrier AQS is doing really good. Also the Ream is. So yeah, this Carrier is doing a really good job heating up the other room. Look, that air is ice cold. Like, it's literally doing real good. Oh, and just shut off. Well, I got a full defrost of this thing and two shutdowns from it. By the way, we do have scooter tomorrow. Just real quick, Lucy, what do you think about this video? This unit sounded real nice when it came out of defrost. This Ream unit's so quiet. But, yeah. I'll try to see if I can get a start from it. Alright, so with that being said, thank you guys for watching, and that'll be it.